Every single business, no matter the type and size, should have a Facebook business page. This will help your business establish an online presence, build authority, and connect with your audience. Best of all, it's absolutely free. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. On our phone, navigate to Facebook app and tap on it. Locate this icon and tap on it. Continue to type on pages. Right and above the menus, click on create. Now navigate and tap on get started. Here we are required to provide some information about the name of the page. We are interested in putting the name of your business or your brand or organization. I'm putting Mubarick MD. I'll click on next. In this section, we are required to provide at least 3 categories that best describe our business. I'm picking personal blog 1, and I'll also type social media agency. Pick on this 2. Then information technology company 3. Yours might be different from this. Just put in key phrases that best describe your business. Then proceed to tap on next. Here, if your business have a physical location, proceed to provide the address. It can be the town or city or your geographical location. I don't have any business address, so I'll put on click on this icon and continue to next. If your business have a website, continue to provide your website into this box. I don't have any, so I'll tap on I don't have a website. Then continue to next. Right here, we are required to provide our profile picture and cover photo. Here, let me tap on here. I'll proceed to pick my profile picture and save. I'll continue to also provide my cover photo and save. Then done. I'll also be required to provide whether I want to use this number on my WhatsApp to connect with my Facebook business page. I'll continue. The code will be sent into my mobile. I'll continue on next. Our page is connected with this, so we can proceed with the process. The next important steps is you can invite your friends to like the page if you have any. You can also continue to join suggested groups that might be in line with your business. You can connect with your WhatsApp, which we've already done. You can create your new posts to broadcast to your new customers. You can also set up an automated messaging. You have abundant functionality on this menu to make your business more details. You can add your location, website, your working hours, and any other things. Reach out to your potential customers with recommendation for your first adverts. So this is how our page will look like in the first glance. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.